Dear friends, today I come to you with a heavy heart, as Turkey has been struck by a devastating earthquake that has left many people injured and homeless. In times like this, it is important that we come together as a global community to offer our support and help those in need. I would like to call on each and every one of you to lend a hand and make a difference in the lives of those affected by this tragedy. You can do this by donating to AFAD, the Turkish Disaster and Emergency Management Agency. AFAD has been working tirelessly to provide aid and support to those affected, and your contributions will make a huge impact in helping them continue their efforts. The link to our FAD's website channel can be found below, along with explanations on how you can contribute and help those affected by this disaster. I understand that many of us may be facing our own challenges and difficulties, but I implore you to think of those who have lost everything and are in desperate need of our help. A small gesture of kindness can go a long way in bringing hope and comfort to those affected by the earthquake. Let us show the world that even in the darkest of times, humanity can come together to help and support one another. I urge you to visit FAD's website to find out more about how you can contribute and help those affected by this disaster. Thank you for your time and consideration, and may we all come together to bring comfort and support to those who need it most. Sincerely,